Hello again. كيفكم اليوم؟ طيب today we'll continue مثل ما قال أستاذ رياض. We'll continue with the materials module. The first family here is the waste management, and the first criteria is solid waste management during construction. What we mean by that during construction is that the contractor that is executing the project has to develop a construction waste management plan, and everything solid waste that is generated during the construction period has to be managed on site, either by sending to recycling facilities, reusing, waste to energy. So there are multiple diversion strategies that can be implemented. In this calculator, first we have to say if there is a construction waste management that is implemented or not, yes or no. If it is no, we cannot apply for this credit. We have to, for this criteria, we have to say yes. After that, we have to specify the waste material streams. What we mean by waste streams, like plastics, for example, concrete, steel. So whatever waste comes from the construction works is a stream, is considered a stream. Second, we have to specify the generated volume. Should be tracked by the contractor. Everything generated should be measured, either weighted or by weight or by volume, and then tracked, and he has to collect receipts for everything that is being sent to landfills or sent to recycling plants. So let's say plastics, we have generated 400. And the units have to be also consistent all over. If we start by cubic meter, we have to continue by cubic meter. Let's say here we use the kilogram, 400 kilograms. The diverted volume, it's 300 out of the 400. Strategy, we have multiple strategies, either reuse, recycle, compost, or energy to waste. Say recycle. And the diversion location, we have to specify that. Let's say recycling plant, recycling ABC. Okay, so we have to fill it for the whole life cycle of the construction period. And at the end, we calculate the waste diversion rate. Here it's 75% because it's 300 out of 400. And it calculates also the waste streams, number of streams. Here we have only one because we filled the data for only one. So in order to earn the 100% score for this criterion, we have to divert at least 90% of the generated waste, and it has to be divided into at least three waste streams. So if we fill all of these here, we will obtain a score of 100% at the end. Okay? So similar to yesterday, if you have any question, you can raise your hand. Yes?
You were saying that this will be monitored by the contractor?
Yes.
And how will the person inputting this data will make sure that this is correct? Or
he has to send the receipts. Everything generated on site has to be sent through receipts to LGBC, to the reviewer.
It will be attached on the platform, or how it will be done?
So usually we wait until the end of the construction. He has to collect all receipts and send them as a batch all together. Okay, this is how it's usually done. You can say that he might not be honest in everything and he ممكن يزعبر. بس this is everywhere. يعني ما فينا نلاحقه on a daily activities شو ممكن يعمل. جاد بتعرف انت.
لا ما زعبرنا.
لا جاد اشتغلنا سوا على project كمان during construction stage. So this is during construction. The next criterion is during operation. This is similar to anything that's being done in current buildings. There is waste management policies that are being implemented in buildings for recycling. What is being done also, they prepare an operational waste management plan where they put recycling bins within each floor or within each office. And these are dedicated to several waste streams as well. And what is needed here first to create this plan. Second, we have to specify the waste streams. similar to the previous one, let's say plastics. We have to specify the name of the company that is collecting these waste streams. For example, plastics, also any companies you know here that do Ekut. Okay. Destination facility, also it should be the same or another facility, because sometimes we have companies that only collect the waste and another company that does the recycling. So it can be divided, or it could be the same company. Okay, and finally, let's say Ekut is here. And diversion strategy, it could be also either reuse, recycle, compost, and energy to waste. Sorry, this is waste to energy. This is a typo, yeah. Waste to energy. Okay? للأسف يعني, yes. Yes, yes. This is waste to energy. Okay, number of waste streams as well, because we don't only want to rely on maybe papers within the facilities. It could be papers, plastics, glass, metal. So at least we should have also 3 waste streams, and in order to reach a score of 100%, we should have this 3 waste streams. Okay, here we don't follow up with the facility. We just check if they are implementing this infrastructure, they are putting these bins, and they are separating in each floor and in a central location.
So
yes.
Here the idea is you are controlling the output and how many streams, but
yes.
you are not controlling to minimize the solid waste.
No, no, just the output. Not this is part of the management and operation. How to minimize the generated waste before going to the diversion and recycling.